Telstra's eSIM service offers a convenient way to stay connected without the need for a physical SIM card. It's especially useful for people who switch between different mobile plans or travel frequently. You don't need to visit a store to activate it. Everything can be done online. But what makes it stand out? And is it worth considering over other options? We'll go through the setup process, device compatibility, and what to expect from Telstra's coverage. If you're thinking of choosing Telstra for your eSIM needs, consider your usage. Are you a heavy data user? Then you might want to explore alternatives like eSIM, which offers unlimited data packages. You can find more about eSIM here. Their packages cater to different needs, providing flexibility whether you need data for a few days or a longer period. With the growing popularity of eSIMs, it's essential to choose a provider that offers reliable service, good coverage, and plans that match your needs. Telstra's eSIM is a good choice for many, but don't forget to check out eSIM if you want the convenience of unlimited data without the hassle of traditional SIM cards. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have questions, and smash the like button for more useful videos.